friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clear your face in 15 days. This remedy will help close all your open pores in 15 days. So let's begin the video. So today I'm going to show you how to make aloe vera cubes, aloe vera ice cubes. For that we will need aloe vera. Wash the aloe vera really well, because aloe vera tends to have some dirt on its bark. So make sure that the aloe vera is cleaned really well in water. Once you've rinsed the aloe vera, cut the aloe vera edges and the thorns, and make sure that the thorns are gone, and slice it in the middle so that you'll get two halves. After that also you'll need to rinse it once more to make sure that there is no bacteria. After that you can extract the gel from the aloe vera, that is removing the pulp from the aloe vera. Store the pulp in one container as I've done in the video. Once you've taken out all the pulp, you need to blend it and make it into a smooth gel. For that you can put it in the mixture, give it like a nice 2-3 turns and make it into a nice liquidy texture, which will become aloe vera gel. After that you can take either plain water or rose water and add the aloe vera gel, like 4 teaspoons of aloe vera gel into the water, or rose water, anything, whichever you are comfortable with. After that you need to add 1 teaspoon of coconut milk. Coconut milk is great for your skin. It's a very good moisture and it stores moisture in your skin, so that's why I've taken coconut milk. Later, after the mixture is done, pour it into the ice cube tray like this, as I've done in the video. It's very simple. Pour the liquid into the ice cube tray and keep it at least for 5 to 6 hours. You can keep the tray 5 to 6 hours. After that you can remove the ice cube and start applying it on your face. You can start massaging it onto your face. It will give you a nice moisturized and fresh face, and if you keep doing this for 15 days you will definitely see the results as I've shown in the video. So you can take the ice cube, massage it onto your skin nicely, leave it for 10 minutes and then rinse it off with plain water. Use 1 ice cube every day, and you will, in the morning and in the evening, and you will definitely see the results. You can store this ice cube for approximately 2 weeks to 3 weeks in the freezer, so nothing will happen to the ice cube and it will be fresh. So every 2-3 weeks you can repeat the process, and you'll definitely see the differences. Aloe vera ice cubes will help in shrinking the pores. It will reduce excess oil production in your body and will hydrate and moisturize your skin. Thank you. I will come back with more such videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.